In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Walmart app. Quick tutorial. Here's the key idea up front. The Walmart app follows the language set on your device. That means you won't find a separate language switch inside the app. Instead, we'll change your phone's system language and the app will automatically match it. Start by opening your device's settings. On most phones, the settings icon looks like a small gear. If you're on an iPhone, open settings from your home screen. On Android, swipe down and tap the gear in the quick panel, or find settings in your app list. This is where all the language controls live. Because the app is connected to your device's settings, changing your phone's language is what changes the app's language. Once your device is updated, Walmart recognizes it and adjusts its menus, labels, and navigation to the same language without any extra steps inside the app. Next, use the search bar at the top of settings and type language. This is the fastest way to land on the right page without digging through menus. If your device doesn't show a search bar, don't worry. On iPhone, you'll look for language and region, and on Android, you're heading towards System, then Languages, and Input. Tap the Languages option that appears in your results. Names can vary a bit by device. On iPhone, it's Language and Region. On Android, it may be Languages, App Languages, or System Languages. If you see a submenu called Languages within that screen, tap it again to drill down to the full list. Look for an option that says Other Languages, Add Language, or Add a Language. This is where you'll see all available languages. Tap it to open the full catalog. Now, choose the language you want. If your device asks, confirm you want to use it as your primary language. On iPhone, you might be prompted to change to language. On Android, after adding the language, drag it to the top of the list to make it your default. Your phone may take a moment to apply the change, and some devices briefly reload the interface. Once your device language updates, the Walmart app will reflect your new choice automatically the next time you open it. If you already had the app open, close it and reopen it to refresh the language. If a specific dialect or regional variant exists, pick the one that matches your location for the most accurate content and regional settings. That's it. By adjusting your device language, you've changed the Walmart app language as well. If you ever want to switch back, repeat these steps and select your original language.